Hey guys, welcome to another video of Shakespeare's Fantasies. In this video, we will be discussing the question and answers for Extract 16 of Act 1 Scene 2. So I hope you all are ready. But before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel if you like the content of this video, and if you are an old viewer or subscriber, then you're welcome back here. So having said that, let's start by reading our Extract 16. It reads that, "Oh, if a virgin and your affections not gone forth, I will make you the Queen of Naples." These lines are from Ferdinand. So here Ferdinand is saying that if Miranda is a worship and she is not in love with someone else, then he will make her the Queen of Naples. Then the next line comes from Prospero. He is saying, "Soft sir, one word more. Aside, they are both in either's powers. But this swift business I must uneasy make." So here Prospero is first talking to Ferdinand. He is saying, "I want to say something to you." And then to himself he says that they, that is Ferdinand and Miranda, are in either's powers. That is, are in love with each other. But this swift business I must uneasy make. That is, but I have to put some obstacles in between this quick love. Lest too light winning make the prize light. That is, if they will win the love for each other too easily, then they will undervalue it. Then again he is talking to Ferdinand. "One word more. I charge thee that thou attend me." That is, I want to say something, and I request you that you listen to me. "Thou dost here usurp the name thou owest not." That is, here you are telling that you are the King of Naples, when in fact you are not. You are taking the wrongful possession of that name, and hast put thyself upon this island as a spy. And here you have come as in spy, to win it from me, the Lord Onth, to take away the island from me, because right now I am the Lord over here. Then Ferdinand says, "No, as I am a man." Now here Ferdinand is swearing on the honor of him being a man. So we move to our first question, which is, where are Ferdinand and Miranda? Who else is with them? So our answer is, Ferdinand and Miranda are on the same island where Prospero and Miranda were living for the past 12 years, since the time they were forcefully ousted from Milan. Prospero is along with Ferdinand and Miranda. Our second question is, under what conditions would Ferdinand make Miranda the Queen of Naples? Is he at present the King of Naples? Why? So our answer is, Ferdinand would make Miranda the Queen of Naples on the conditions that she is unmarried and that she is not in love with someone else. No, at present, he, that is Ferdinand, is not the King of Naples. This is because of the fact that his father Alonso, who is the actual ruler of Naples, is alive. Third question is, who are they? Line 5. And how are they in either's power? Our answer is, they here is referred to Ferdinand and Miranda. They are in either's powers because the moment they laid eyes upon each other, they were instantly attracted with each other and they both fell in love at first sight. Our question number 4 is, what is this swift business? What does Prospero want to do with the swift business? Why? Answer, the swift business is referred here to the act of falling in love too quickly. Prospero wants to put some obstacles in the way of their swift business. He wishes to do so because he does not want Ferdinand and Miranda to undervalue their love, thinking that it came too easily in their life. Now our question number 5 is, what does Prospero accuse Ferdinand of? What reply does Ferdinand give to his accusation? State how you can conclude from Prospero's speech that he is a good father. Our answer is, Prospero accuses Ferdinand of usurping, that is taking wrongful possession of, the title of the King of Naples, which does not belong to him rightfully. In reply to this, Ferdinand swears on his honor as a man to make Prospero and Miranda believe that he is not lying and that he is not a traitor. We can conclude from Prospero's speech that he is a good father because by bringing obstacles in swift business, that is the act of falling in love too quickly, of Ferdinand and Miranda, Prospero is testing Ferdinand and Miranda's love for each other. He does so in order to ensure that Ferdinand is the right man for his daughter, and he will love and cherish her and will keep her safe. Question 6 is, give the meaning of the following words as they are used in the context of the passage. First word is affection. Affection means love or devotion. And our second word is usurp. Usurp means to take wrongful possession of. So guys, this is it for this video. I hope this might have proved to be helpful to you. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe this channel and click on the notification bell. I will see you in my next video. Until then, thanks for watching.